Hello, today we're going to be making piña colada in the Instapot Ace. Very simple ingredients, just 3 ingredients, unless you want to add a little bit of spice and put a little bit of rum. But we're going to use coconut cream, not milk, coconut cream. So we're going to use about half a can of coconut cream, pineapple juice, and again we're going to use about half a can of pineapple juice. Well, I use about a quarter of the can, and 4 cups of ice. And we're going to use our smoothie, and we're going to use our smoothie preset in our Instapot Ace, which will give us about 1 minute and 30 seconds of mixing time, but I bet you it's going to be done before that. And we're done. Move it around because sometimes there's a little bit of air that gets in it. Very thick. If you want it more liquidy, you can make it a little bit less ice, but I like it this thick for those hot days. And of course, if you get a glass with a bigger opening, it's going to be a little easier. All depends. But I'm making a mess, and that's what cooking is all about. Sometimes you just gotta make a mess. So this is our piña colada. Thank you again for watching.